Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to transpose a table, and here you can see a table of 7 rows and 1 2 3 6 columns are there, and it's actually students marks on each subject. Okay, so now I want to transpose this to subjects comes in the rows and students comes in the column. Okay, so how to do this one? So what I'm going to do is, this is the full matrix or is range you want to transpose. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the function called transpose. Okay, so but before using the function, you must know that when you transpose, what the output array will be, or the output values will be. Okay, so this is 5 plus 1 6 6 rows going to be 6 columns going to be 6 rows now. 3 6. Okay, so I just make some color. Okay, and similarly for 1 2 3 6 7 columns going to 7 rows going to be 7 columns. 4 5 6 7. Okay, the matrix is going to be, the actual result is going to be like this, right? Okay, now what I am going to do is, I just copy and paste it. That is also possible. You can see here, copy, and you can go to paste special and paste special. You cannot get a transpose here. Okay, if it is an ordinary copy and paste, you can get a transpose and paste it, because it's a table. It's a kind of table values. You cannot get a transpose box to check in there to copy. So what we are going to do is, we are going to select equal to transpose function. Okay, so but the transpose function is the array function, and we are writing an array formula, and when you type in the array formula, it may come up with the output of more than one cell. So it is not possible to type in into the one cell. It is possible to type in one cell, but the answer is wrong. It will show only that cell, the first value, but we want it for the full array. So what we need to do is, you select the full array first. Okay, go there and equal to transpose. Okay, the full array, close the bracket. So the full table you have selected, and the transpose is here. You need to press Ctrl Shift and enter, because it's the array output. You need to press Ctrl Shift and enter for entering a array formula. Now you can see here that students comes in the columns, and the subjects come in rows. Okay, and the values are transformed. 64 8 7 34 74 is coming this way. It's totally transformed. Okay, so this is the way you can have a transpose of any table. Okay, if you change a value here, what happening, we will see this value is 74 117, which is here 74 117. Okay, this value, just note down this value, which is 1, Okay, if I change this one to 21, what is happening here? It's changed already. So you can use a transpose function to transpose a full table and get respective values. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on next video. God bless you.